Okay, so here you have the LED light or the regular light of your Camaro. This is for the climate control. So basically you have two lights and one plug. So I'm going to show you. So basically you can pull it. It's like very, very difficult, but as you can see, it works. So make sure that you know the right polarity, so that way you can make it work. So in order to remove this, as you can see here, I had to break it. I mean, there are some people saying, okay, maybe you can sandpaper, you can grab it from here, pull it, or maybe with the pliers. I think I tried before with pliers, but I think the easiest way will be trying to use maybe duct tape or electric tape or some type of tape, so that way it will not shatter on your face. Got it, and put it around it, and let's try to pull it without breaking it. I mean, if it's possible. If it's not, no big deal, just pull it. I'll show you the whole process. At least this is what I did, and it worked. So this one, later you have to pull it from that place, and okay, it broke. So again, you have to grab it from inside, pull it, that's it. So as you can see, that is all you have to do. Later, you grab the new light bulb, and that's it. As usual, I am in US. If you need tools, electronics, or anything like that, just let me know. Otherwise, I'll try to leave it in the video description, so that way you can buy it yourself. So make sure that you have the right polarity, plug it in, see how it works. If it doesn't work, just take it out, turn it, put it back in, and that's it. So hopefully this video was useful. If you have any questions, leave me in the section below. See you next time.